All right, guys. Hope you had a good day. Just a quick update. Did a little live streaming during New York. That was a lot of fun. I'm feeling it. Going to get back into it here. I'm just going to do New York. I was going to do London and New York, but it just takes too much energy to live stream both. So we'll just live stream New York together. I'll be back at it tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Really choppy day. You can see here on the NASDAQ, just chop basically until right now, the close. Just kind of a surprise move to the downside on the end of day. Balancing there, but choppy day. I didn't take any trades on the NASDAQ. I was debating shorting this, to be honest, right there, but at the time I wasn't seeing confirmation on bonds or the dollar, so I didn't feel comfortable with the short. Obviously, in hindsight, it would have been nice to take it, but I didn't, so wasn't able to capitalize on that. I did take a tiny loss on the ultra bonds on two accounts. You can see in full transparency, I lost $187 here on one of my Uprofit accounts, and I lost $187 right here on one of my TopStep accounts. So that's what I lost in the day, about $380 or whatever that is. So no biggie. Basically, what happened with the ultra bonds is I was actually right. I ended up buying here at about well, I wouldn't say I was right. That's not true. But my idea, I thought the daily was going to be strong. I just thought support was going to hold here on this spike down after durable goods. So I bought, and as I could see it kind of sitting in here, not doing a whole lot, I thought, you know what, this support should be, if I'm right, this should cause price to head back up here quickly. That's not happening. So I just took a 2-tick loss on my bond positions, and I was long 3 contracts. So that's why I lost 187. So basically a scratch there, no big deal. And I'm happy with the way I managed it because it would have gone against me, quite a bit more. My stop would have been wide enough that had I sat through all this, I would have ended up with a little bit of a winner on the day, but that's not the way I like to trade. I like to, pick my spots, and if I'm right, I like to let it go. And if I see that I'm wrong, I just cut it and manage the risk that way. That's how I managed to get 1.55 million in funding in under a month. And now I'm up, after these losses, I'm up about 7,600, 7,700 across my funded accounts here as I get those off to a good start on the live trading phase. So, and I will be adding more funded accounts as well. Just kind of busy focusing on the live trading right now, and really hoping for some volatility to pick up in this market. It's just been pretty lackluster. You've just seen a lot of just chop, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you'll just see these strange large moves where I like to trade when there's volatility, and you just get these big swings all over the place. That's where I get the best opportunities. We haven't had that lately, so I haven't lost any money. In fact, I've made money, but just not really getting an ample amount of opportunities to get super aggressive. So I think that'll come back. We got some more earnings, I think, coming next week. It's Easter this week. The last couple months have just been choppy and difficult. I think the opportunities haven't been there. So I'm happy to get through that, getting 1.55 million in funding, and also starting to build these live accounts as well. So I have no doubt the volatility will pick back up, and when it does, I'll be ready to get aggressive and start hammering it. So there's the update for today, Tuesday, March 26, 2024. Check in with the live stream tomorrow. I'll be back at it at 8 a.m. and hope to see you guys there. We had a good stream. Lots of really good analysis as I go over what's happening on all the different futures markets and how that impacts, what we're reading on ES, NQ, the Dow, the bonds, gold, silver, crude. You can see the full list here. These are the main markets I cover and trade across the funding accounts. All right, take care, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.